In a historic event, the commemorative statue of Khasi freedom fighter U Tirot Sing Syiem was unveiled at the Indira Gandhi Cultural Centre in Dhaka, Bangladesh on Friday. The unveiling ceremony saw the esteemed presence of Pranay Verma, the Indian High Commissioner to Bangladesh, alongside Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Sniawbhalang Dhar. Notable attendees included Art and Culture Minister Lyngdoh, Health Minister Ampareen Lyngdoh, State Planning Board Chairman Metbah Lyngdoh, and former UPSC chairperson David Syiemlieh, among other dignitaries. Also present were traditional heads such as the Syiem of Hima Nongklau Prastar Manik Syiem and the Syiem of Hima Bhowal Sniawbhalang Syiem. The event symbolized a significant milestone in honoring the legacy of U Tirot Sing Syiem, with thematic murals depicting his legendary journey also unveiled alongside the statue. Renaming the ICCSR library in Dhaka as the U Tirot Sing Library further underscored the tribute to this iconic figure. The initiative, led by the state's Department of Arts and Culture, received support and collaboration from various entities, including the Ministry of External Affairs, the Indian High Commission in Dhaka, and the Indian Council for Cultural Relations. Local artist Rafael Wardri's dedication and craftsmanship brought the statue and murals to fruition with meticulous attention to detail. The allocated funds of Rs 11 lakh by the Arts and Culture Department demonstrated the commitment to preserving and celebrating U Tirot Singh's heritage. Later in the day, a cultural program titled U Tirot Sing Ukhlawait Kari Khasi was held at Jatiya Natshalya Malayatlam, Bangladesh, Silpakla, Shegun Bagicha in Dhaka, jointly organized by the IGCC, Dhaka, and the Department of Arts and Culture in collaboration with the Bangladesh Shilpakla Academy, offering a fitting tribute to U Tirot Singh's enduring legacy.
Give all of us inspiration. You really did something splendid.
Last 2 years of his life in captivity. It is a great honor for us to be able to pay our heartfelt tributes to the brave soul. U Tirot Singh's life reminds us of the values of courage, conviction, and determination. His supreme sacrifices inspired our national movement in unparalleled ways. The statue of U Tirot Singh that we are going to unveil today here will stand as a testimony to his valor and selfless quest for freedom of his people from colonial oppression. It will also be a testimony to the close historical relations between Meghalaya and Bangladesh. During the Liberation War of Bangladesh, thousands of Mukti Jodhas and refugees took shelter in Meghalaya during a very difficult time of our shared history. The new integrated checkpost at Dauki across Tamabil, whose inauguration I was privileged to attend last year, and a number of border huts that we are setting up in the bordering regions of Meghalaya and Bangladesh are adding new dimensions to the modern day relationship between India and Bangladesh. By doing all this, we are fulfilling the dreams of U Tirot Singh for the well-being, happiness, and prosperity of our people. His statue here in Dhaka will honor his legacy and stand for generations to come as a symbol and reminder not only of our history, but also of our constant quest for a better future.